Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Tay and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, I'm an event planner and I'm starting to get booked for more weddings. I'm looking to add this elegant look to my portfolio. This is an arrangement that one of my clients has asked for. Can you help me out?" I'm absolutely so excited to help you out, Tay. I understand as a previous event wedding planner how you are always looking for new and fresh ideas, and so it is our absolute pleasure to show you how to create this beautiful centerpiece. Well guys, what are we waiting for? Let's create this week's project, tall candlestick, lovely rose centerpiece. Okay, let's get to it. So our first step is to attach our 5-inch styrofoam ball to our 19-inch tall metal candle holder. And we're going to simply do that with some high heat hot glue. We're going to apply to the inside rim and then simply place our styrofoam ball inside, press it down with a little bit of tension, give it about minute, 2 minutes to set up, and we're ready to move on to the flower arrangement. So to create that dense look of that flower arrangement, we have to layer. And it's very important that we start our layering with greenery. Don't worry, I have all the links for you in the description right below this video. So the particular link I gave you for this is 3 different types of greenery. That's what creates the fullness, and that's what creates that beautiful, rich, dense look. Hydrangeas are the perfect blossom to not only fill the space, but do it in a way that is elegant and beautiful. So I am using actually 2 different color hydrangeas. I'm using one that's cream with a tinge of green and as well as a white one. You have options here. You can use any color hydrangea you would like. I picked these colors because these are the colors of the inspiration picture, but I want you to know you can create this very same centerpiece with your specific colors for your event or wedding. Well, Tay, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. I think it's going to make any tablescape just a definite showstopper. I also included the links for these little tall stem tea light holders, as well as the little mirrors, all of which I got from the Dollar Tree. So you can mix the elegant and the more high-end with the more reserved and inexpensive, and it all blends together beautifully. Well, if you like the Centerpiece, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted. In addition to that, you can also go to our website and get more wonderful ideas and cost-saving tips. If you'd like to hang out a little bit more, why don't you hang out with us? Head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I do not know what you're waiting for. It is an awesome cost-saving tip right there. Very simple. Go down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your qualified vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple. Once again, our time has quickly come to an end. I want to remind you, though, that if there is a project that we can help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner or go down to our description and click on the link. You will find a tab that says Project Requests. Click on that tab, follow the very simple steps, and submit your project request. We ask that you do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast, and I hate to tell anyone no. In addition to that, you'll find step-by-step instructions as well as cost-saving tips on our wonderful website, MissPlanIt.com, and there is a free resource library. So head on over there, check us out, and hang out with us a little bit longer. I want to thank you all for choosing to spend this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so we do not take your choices lightly. And that brings us to an end, but until next time, we want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.